Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple egg roast. Come on, let's get started.
To a pan, add a tablespoon of oil and let it heat. Then add mustard seeds and let it splutter. Add a tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic and saute it for few seconds until raw smell goes. Add 2 finely chopped onions along with few curry leaves and salt and mix and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the onions are well cooked. Cover it with a lid if required. Once done, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until they are well cooked. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of chilli powder and mix them well. Add a little water so the masalas won't burn and cook it for few minutes. Heat a dosa tawa, preferably a cast iron, and add a teaspoon of oil to it. Divide the masala equally and spread it on the tawa. And add coriander leaves. Break an egg and place it over the masala carefully. And add a pinch of jeera powder and pepper powder for extra flavor. Let it cook for 1 minute on high flame. Flip it carefully and cook the other side for 1 or 2 more minutes. It should have a slight burnt flavor for it to taste good.
This was so yum, so definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.